The Community Innovation Lab has been evolving over the last 13 years. It started off as a faculty initiative and has evolved into a student initiative. We've got 13 young of the brightest minds associated with undergraduate research from several of the colleges on campus. And what we do is we work along with and collaborate with the community to address some of the issues that they may have or some of the innovations that they haven't even thought of yet.
As soon as I saw the work that was being done, I was gravitated right to the lab. The ability to be involved in the community of Lexington, since I didn't grow up here, was a super big attractor for me. There's so much going on. It was a great way to learn how to work under pressure and work on a lot of projects at one time and be able to keep everything above water. On top of that, engaging with the community gave me the soft skills to be able to convey the work I was doing, talk to people in the community about what mattered to them, which has really helped me now because I'm in law school. Everything else seems kind of small now, and it just gave me a great toolkit to work with.
I remember, the tiny, almost shoebox of a room we had over in Garrigus, and just getting to have all of this space where we can really start to lift off and continue to make the community impact, but just in a much more accessible way. I mean, it means the absolute world, and the lab really is a family. You get to use everyone in the lab as a sounding board. You get to hear so many different perspectives, and everyone comes from a very diverse background. No one has the same experience, and so I think our biggest strength is each other and getting to just kind of, like I said, bounce ideas off of each other.
We're not an ivory tower. We want to be that highway so that there's a constant interaction with community and university resources. We are an open door, come visit, right? And let's talk about what we can do, and let's have that longitudinal relationship and build that capacity collaboratively.